Today, I'll walk you through how to save your Power BI report, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to save your report so you can keep your valuable insights secure and accessible. Let's dive right in. First, open your Power BI dashboard. This is where all your data visualization magic happens, and it's the starting point for saving your work. Next, look towards the top left corner of the ribbon. Here, you'll see the File option. Click on it. This will open a drop-down menu with several options related to file management. Now it's time to choose a directory. You can either select a location on your computer or opt for cloud storage. This decision is crucial as it determines where your report will be saved. Think of it like choosing a home for your report. You want to make sure it's in a place that's easy for you to access later. Once you've selected your directory, it's time to enter a name for your report. Make sure to keep the default file type as Power BI document. This ensures that your report retains all its features and functionalities, just like making sure a recipe is saved in the right format for future use. Finally, click the Save button. This action is akin to locking the door to your report's home, ensuring that all your hard work is safely stored away. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. The steps remain the same across various versions of Power BI. And there you have it. You've successfully saved your Power BI report. Remember, saving your work regularly is essential to avoid losing any progress. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.